Hi Kevin, just in case you weren't sure about using the lens corrections in Lightroom, I just wanted to quickly run through it. This is one of the images I use in my advanced digital course for using lens corrections. So you just scroll down to get to lens corrections. Now you've got basic on here, and often if the image is, pretty much, kind of a mild distortion, you can hit auto and that pretty much corrects it. If you need more of a correction, if you felt that that didn't correct it enough, you can go to manual. So vertical will, you'll see how it's twisting the frame. So to remove keystoning, you, with this one, it'll probably be a horizontal correction. Just trying to decide on which direction it will be. I think it's in this direction. Maybe a tiny, tiny bit of vertical, like that. And then I want to rotate it a little bit. I'm just looking at the horizontals. So I would rotate. It's probably enough actually, it's not very much. And so now I have an image that should be pretty much corrected. I'm just going to take a snapshot of that and then go back to the original. So that was what the original looked like, and then this was what the auto correction looked like. So going back to the original, again that's what it looks like, and then going back to the auto plus manual correction, that's what it looks like. It actually needs to come down here a little bit, which you can change the aspect ratio. Again, I wouldn't want to change it too much, but that will allow you to actually flatten out the image. It's kind of difficult because the guys are getting really distorted. It's one of the things about shooting with a wide angle lens is you get some of that distortion on there. You can also enable a profile correction, assuming that it knows what lens you're using. And I don't know if I can do this because I'm trying to think which lens it was. I know I could pull that information up, but I'm pretty sure this was, and I can't even remember actually which camera I used because I have multiple ones. But it doesn't appear to be finding this one because I'm pretty sure it's I think it's a Panasonic lens actually, which doesn't appear to be one of the options on here. If it's a Canon lens, which it actually is by the look of it, so it was shot with my Canon camera, and then you can choose to correct via that. I usually find though that I need to do custom corrections because it's usually not a lens issue. It's much more of a manual issue of pointing your camera up. So this is why I did manual transform. But try auto as well, because sometimes that's just enough to tweak it, and then of course you can go in and recrop if you need to.